Hey guys, good morning. It's February 20, 2011. Nandito ako ngayon sa McKinley Hill and it's 3:20 in the morning. So after running my first marathon last February 6, andito naman ako ngayon sa Rogin E, last man running. Ako naman, di naman ako last man running dito. Kahit dun sa mga medyo last man running na lang ako. Ayan. De, seriously, makapag-exercise lang dito. Suporta lang tayo kay Coach Edward. The best ka. Congratulations again sa event na to. And I hope maging successful at okay ang lahat. Alright? Thank you guys. Thank you. Okay guys, last man running dito sa McKinley. Done for 2 hours and 51 minutes. I just did my best 30K. And in a while, kukunin ko na yung certificate ko. Siyempre, nandito, paring Bobby.
Yo!
At siyempre, ang may kinalaman, may sala ng tarantaduhan na to, Coach Edward ko. Alright. Ayan. So, thank you guys. God bless you all.
You'll get a finisher's medal.
Yo, boy, meron pala akong medal.
Siyempre.
Meron yan, ha?
Yes.
Naka-record yan, Coach. Okay, guys. This is it. The ultimate test of endurance medal. Congratulations. Thank you, Coach Edward. The whole staff, thank you. And a certificate. Medal again for my son and my wife. Thank you, Lord. God bless you all.